presenting the Ram 2017 ProMaster cargo van roof. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 21A, 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, AM/FM MP3, air conditioning, power steering, power windows, remote keyless entry and heavy-duty suspension. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.